Ecclesiastes chapter 4 verse 7 to 12. Ecclesiastes chapter 4 verse 7 to 12. Mekan. Na mesane me hye owiase ehuhudie. Obaako wɔ hɔ na odiala nka ne ho. Nso oni babarima ana oni abarima. Na so ne bere nyina ni awieye. Ahunya nso ni nani. Ahwan mpo na merebere na mereka me mekra ne pamama no. Yesu ehuhudie ne ɔha bɔne no no. Bani yɛsene baako. Efisɛ wɔn bere mu akekyapa wɔ hɔ ma wɔn. Na to wɔhwe ase a ɔbaako bɛba ne yɔnko so. Na ɔbaako fo ɔhwe ase a obi nka ne ho ma no so nyie. Bio sɛ bani da wɔn ho yɛ wɔn hye. Na ɔbaako fo deɛ ne ho bɛyɛ ne sesɛe. Na so obi to ɔbaako fo a ɔrentumi nyina. Nanso bani ne bɛdi asie. Na praya a waka abom no renmu ntam. Praya a waka abom renmu ntam. Sɛ wohwɛ sɛ old tree na ɔsɛ ahoma ɛbɔ ho mmiɛnsa ɛntentem. Saa na old tree no tree Bible no ka no, but new revised no ɛka no sɛ praya a waka abom no renmu ntam. Said you wouldn't name a person no for having intimacy with God. Quite a bit in your fighting your radina, I uncle feel more than now. And then a person is center ability and availability. Ability and availability. The would me, and they say, yes, she shall wear you who. And no one on person, Namekasa. A fahu. Meaning, sir, Manusino. Na nyame nam ne honhom ne nasam so aboa me ne omienu nyina na atumi aboa ye why ta usan itimia die mebusem ti baako nyimu eduanu nine Proverbs chapter 1 verse 24. Me shall say from verse 20 rather, me put him back in my deal. Now, such him run on some water in a mountain, or Tim a jabbering tree, crum, crapanano, or cannon some sir. Or cannon some sir. That bang around a month to come over pen to Casama Kusi. Now, I fed for better one, I feed ye. Now, Cassia, waiting in dear. Mona no mohoma me kasa kyerɛ hwɛ mɛworo me honhom ama mo me pa cho ti reading no mona no mohoma me kasa kyerɛ na mɛworo me honhom ama mo na mama mo hunu me nsɛm me sama frɛ na mo ka me matene me nsɛm na obi mfa nyɛ hwee na mo to mafutu nyinaa kyerɛ na me kasa kyerɛ mo mpenti me nso mɛsrɛ mo mama nyemu na mo ahopopɔ bɛba ne meyi mo hi mo ahopopɔ ba sɛ ɔpra na mama ne ba sɛ ehum ahonye hi ame ahokyerɛ ba mo so a ɛne na wɔbɛfrɛ me na merenye so wɔbɛhwehwɛ me hema na worenhu me sanse wuti mu deɛ no wampɛ Awurade suro the word wampɛ Awurade suro hyɛ no nso wampɛ mafotu na wopɔ me kasa kyerɛ nyinaa nti wɔbɛdi wɔn kwan so aba na wɔn agyina wɔtuyɛ amee wɔn ntete kwaa akyiri sɛ no bɛku wɔn na nkwasea yiedie bɛsɛe wɔn na deɛ ɛtie mu no deɛ ɔbɛtena hɔ koo na ne ho adwene a ɔnsuro musuo Awurade nhyira wo na ɔnyɛ wo kɛseɛ na Awurade ma wonfiri ɔdom nkɔ ɔdom mu na me nhyira wo wae sɛ mmɛbusɛm no a meka nsɛsi a no in fact yɛwɔ books bi wɔ Bible no mu te sɛ Job, Psalms, Jeremiah, ɛna me sɛ Habakkuk also. Yeah, Psalms, Job, I think Jeremiah also. This and the book of Habakkuk nso keka nsɛm this yɛwɔ portions bi wɔ saa books na makeka no mu a usua adeɛ wɔ hɔ kɔ akyire a wobɛhu sɛ obi a wopɛ sɛ ohu sɛ nnipa wɔ onsuro Nyankopɔn a ɛyɛ obi a ɔmpɛ mpaebɔ na ɔmpɛ adesua. One of the signs ɛbɛma ohu sɛ nnipa wɔ onsuro Nyame no Even Proverbs chapter 1 here, you can't see here. To be here, or some afre, Mokame, Martin and some, or being fine yashi, Moto Mafutu in action, and I make us a tre, Mompe. And son of be bet me in your foot winning and make us a try, you man, know you'll be a yammy friend or Jesus. Because say your fro now and it means you are not ready to go. Until me busem tibakono or say obi a nyame frɛ no a ɔmfi obi a nyame frɛ no a ɔnresponde obi a nyame frɛ no a ɔnattend to the call of God no Proverbs deɛ ɔfrɛ no sɛ ɔyɛ obi a ɔnsuro nyame sɛ wotie reading no yie a ɔse wawapo awurade suro it means sɛ ɔse nyansa tiem ɔma wɔte ne ne kurom gyaberetire ɔma waka ne nsɛm sɛ It means that wisdom has been crying now. Seriously saying, can cross from men, but or can be until at the end in the Solomon per se or treasure, Nipebi and Yame Frenwa, Umfino, Sanipan, Unswiname, the person with the two. Yame Yaduma, all night now, your baby alone. Female Darcy, we need you, O God. Na film bi a ano ɔden paa agye sɛ wonte aseɛ mepɛ sɛ nnɛ meka sɛ mekyerɛw sɛ wotie ni a fa to wo tirim sɛ nipa bie ni hɔ a Nyankopɔn ɛyɛ more interested in your ability yɛka ability a deɛ wotumi yɛ God is not interested in your ability. And Abraham mene nyanumu adwumayɛfo a mene wɔn kɔ asɔre na mekyerɛ wɔn adeɛ meka kyerɛ wɔn sɛ yɛmfa obi a ɔyɛ gifted nkɔto branch sɛ woyɛ sɔfo wate asɔre wohu sɛ nipa wei ohun adeɛ ɔhyɛ nkɔm oni bible nti mede ne kɔto branch yɛnyɛ nyame dwuma saa nipa bi ni wa nyame frɛ no ne nante a na ɔyɛ gifted God is not interested in your ability. That is why I can Proverbs, what kind 1 Corinthians chapter 1. Also, the any ho, and a Yankopon, you say, or the baby place the awo. And Quasi again, Yankopon, you say, or the baby place in Yansafo. We are saying Yama a weak, and then you say, or the baby place they are strong. It means to say anything God chooses. I am Nyankopɔn show the ability of that thing. Adentra. The entire nyame free will be unsure the ability of that person. You know say God can do everything. Ɔno na ɔma deɛ ɛnni hɔ ɛyɛ hɔ. Nti sɛ nyame frɛ na unim kasa te sɛ Moses he knows how to lose your tongue to speak well. Sɛ nyame frɛ na woyɛ weak. To say Gideon, on him how to make you strong. Nyame frau, now you're unschooled. To say Apostle Peter, he know how to use you to speak wisdom to the educated people. Eti ayana Nyankopɔn ɔfrɛ a ɛnyɛ ability ɛnyɛ deɛ wɔwu mu a deɛ obetumi ayɛ na ɔhyɛ wo. If you say he is able to make you do it. Radical Moses said, you have shortened my hand. Wake up, men suffer. Because me nyame kase me ye we are ye nyimeti. Esra in Israel for nam. And almost one more nam. Ana Nyankopɔn awo hɔ na Moses kɔka fa asɛm ne kyerɛ no. Ana nyame kase Moses sɛ, "Ha, ka kyerɛ ɔman no sɛ ɔkyena Mobarenam. I want a more to say, or Gina, someone who Papa said, can on my Berenam, the more you know some working. It is so Moses question God said, I hear a Ubena Mama on my way because mine am no woman nominal. A mamma could the only memory, then Namin. On mine so one more take about 3 million. It's a hena, you bought 3 million yet, a Tinanqua in Kauka 1 week dear. After Nyame ka Moses ni sɛ adna wetwa mabasa so Nyankopɔn ma Israel fo duru po kokwa no na Bible tena kwantie wo mu betumi afa ko bi Kenan ba na nyame mpɛso ɔman ne bɛka ko hunu ɛdom bia mehu abɔ wo mu to ɔde wo mu kɔfa po kokwa no afei wo mu kwa wo mu kodu ko papa ko po kokwa no ɛya atamfo Egyptians yi so ɛba asana Awurade ka kyerɛ Moses ne sɛ ka kyerɛ Israelfo ne sɛ monkɔmani asama nyame ka kyerɛ Moses ne sɛ tell them to move forward. Moses sɛ ɛpo wɔ hɔ Nyankopɔn sɛ ɛpo na wɔ hɔ no ɛnyɛ wo na ɔbɛka akyerɛ no me ankasa minim nti sɛ wotie na mepɛ sɛ mema ɔte aseɛ sɛ egyaman no a wowu tim no anu nti ɛha wa wo mpɛ sɛ ɔne nyame bɛnya ayɔnkofa na ɛnyɛ no na ayɛ no nyame ɔhwɛ o ɛnyɛ no na nyame hwɛ the things you can do na me nhwɛ hɔ obi oni masasi bi anim sɛ me yɛ unqualified nipa na ɛpɛ adwuma a ɔpɛ qualifications wokɔ school dure he woyɛ dɛn Nyankopɔn qualification ɛyɛ baako pɛ yɛfɛ no availability sɛ Nyankopɔn ɔfra wo ba he will prove you wrong. Oba, obama obi a ɔse wo ntumi nyɛ no. Aha yɛ ntumi nka nsɛm bi nkwa akyi. Mɛka kora mi mo bi adi. Ghana ha, one of the biggest and fastest growing church. Saa sɔfo no, dodoɔ no agredi ni sɛ ɔnyɛ good preacher. If you say ɔno ankasa ne spiritual father koraa se ɔnyɛ good when it comes to preaching nso pɛ sɔfo a n'asɔle nyini ntɛntɛn pɛ yɛ ɔno a adi ntra ara na nyɛ deɛ wɔn mu a wotumi de yɛ biribi na Nyankopɔn nti God is not seriously interested in gifted people because ability bi wɔ mu a you boast yourself sɛ wonim biribi yɛ a wobɛtu ho nti ana da bia ne Nyankopɔn pɛ obi a ɔyɛ empty nipa no ɔyɛ empty na mmom deɛ Nyame hyehyɛ ne sɛ ɔka sɛ hyia me ha ɛkyena no paa wosi minni ne deɛ no na nipa bia nso a Nyame afrɛ no a responding to the call of God no at the end yɛhunu deɛ Nyame yɛ no it is a you must have intimacy with God. So tell me, I am not pointing to you your mistakes. Whenever God calls, you are not available. Yemu bebre ono mo I am a person who didn't come out. Maybe from Ahomati 4 to Anapa 6, you must pray. Nyame say because whenever you encounter God, so when nyame bom punumpu a wohu bibi firi mu ewura. Saa de ni wura wa na eyi nyame bi firi mu. Entire nyame problem anya de wo mu no, na mo ofra na wa anye so a, wo de oba na ekọ. The problem of the world anya sin. The problem of the world is they are repeatedly saying no to Jesus Christ. Now, whenever you say no to the master, what failing? What are doctor or officer you ready count? Pharmacist or officer you ready count? Nurses count. And I have proud sir, the doctor needs you. Anya ya dealing na doctor no problem. He wants your service. Iti kwana wa nkono. Wa ma doctor no we nya adwuma anye. Eti nyame fra wa. Atete wo ye sofo na wate asore. Ade ase obi a onta nkwa asore nsa. Aso na gu. Egu. Ebre dana na wu yi sa nipa na gu ye. Now well, sir, you think, sir, or you good speaker. Why are very brilliant. And why the good? Say Nyankopɔn we weak. Now respond to the caller or the wobaye. Pharisees for no me are brilliant. They refuse to listen to the voice of Jesus Christ. Therefore, yes, you can find illiterate people. And not do what we it is Solomon, a castle or Sankafon or sin. Benny Yasanabako. Now, Bible about the apple. Ho, wouldn't ma me tell the abono. Umpo, first I run a benyang or say. The baby I would tell Sachi so or being count. Our young Kunama no men count. Bible say, so be piano pa. So who you my bra. Nyamin count, you already care. Mentia siasa wo ware na nyamini. O problem no. You are not available in his presence. It will be bread. God is a king, and whenever a king speaks, it becomes a law. So on him cast na bayamra. It is a nyameka monwo na mona nature respond to that word. So I was there. We have to raise us as a a baby name is Pastor Chris for casting in the Sri Lanka. Or so what 30 years. Say, I'm not catching so what 34 years. I just you 84. 2018, so 34 years. You 84. So we see your Mrs. CA. Now, 34 years. You 84. Now, I make a sound, sir. Now, maybe so, sir. Your Frau saying. Now, we can say you're from a yaw. Now, I make a sound, you will say, now, see a woman, it be a 27th April 1984. Now, I'm missing no. You 27th March 1970. Oh, the upper your fast call, man, who won't call. Now, records need to be a war people with at the sack. I'm a 1970. Because I mean, chapter, the enjoying chapter, and said, you can't be them. And to a German for by Namese or no was sanctified. Now, Sir Nameka, someone so it take years, it will take years. Habakkuk chapter 2. Or say, Rabbi Kachan said, I do know. Cheremugu Abuapono, when an Akanya and one Harrison. I do know that such a better was, sir. I will prepare you a ring out for Channel Abadi Baba. Genesis chapter 3, and then Nameka say about Jesus. Now I'm repeating what Exodus, Leviticus, Numbers, Deuteronomy, Joshua, Judges, Ruth, Samuel, Kings, Chronicles, Ezra, Nehemiah, Esther, Job, Psalms, Proverbs, Ecclesiastes, Songs of Solomon, the major and the minor prophets from Daniel to Malachi, or repeating. Or here yourself the repeat from Matthew. It took God 4,000 years. And some of us are kind of fulfilled. Or can someone or catch Jeremiah say, Mirikenya me who are some of me a mechanic, Namaye. It is a Yami Katra with her. But Jimmy, now when you're down, oh, don't rely on your ability. And I mean, you say, and I mean to me away, and I mean to me away, and I kumase her. What this I am on a bomb for him a moon to me so many. Because what yes of the Amawakatra would say, what we are German for. But sir, ability no more would do German, and I'm interested. Just respond to the call of God. Stand before his presence. My papa who was the man of Period. Bible says, as my phone and 3.5 years. At the end, now you're from Christians. And so before, not Peter, you're in France. And not Peter in the coin years, my Peter, you know my prayer was it. Well, I'm not Peter, you know 3 times. Chikotokro, and you will be out to free. Now, no penity. And the panel swab a year. Some crowful will own. Woman, papa, and Nancy, or woman who see when you say, a body wanting or buy. And they were always in his presence, and at the end, woman life a transformation of availability. I don't tell me what Bible say. While he was dining with the apostles, Bible say, Judas. Now start the activity to appear coy. You put beer on some tool for no free presence. You disconnect yourself from God. There are a lot of people, they don't go to church anymore. There are a lot of people, they don't go to church anymore. Meaning, I say, or your milk penny. So for that one, sir, or you could be a craft into a fair abundance here. Also, born some crafty. Who could you be at once I was an could charge Guinness, and I saw the baby who were about us here. Don't cry for the deal. Well, what do you want to who are dancing? You are relying on your strength. For number sense, December. Jeremiah 17:5. Who knows some war? Or to say already see you are 2 minutes per or the Honam Yabasa. Nipa bia wo tia sa chi so wo de you always rely on your strength and now who dey na nyame hwehwe nyame hwehwe say respond to his call nyame say study the word you just study pray you just pray ugusu bampa ya study no wo fa how na wo dajon to no so na papa ni who say you need all of him than yourself so you know yourself too much yemu bebre to kuma say yenimi ya hododo you don't know Jesus. My normal biblical example be last my birth years me catch say Apostle Peter or you're one of the finest example I can give. One of the finest example. Abusiafo men capital who some crowd did say why would you make it ever since you became a Christian or be did you know. Now we suban to say nyame adom o say suban bi ko no ma wo hu bra u die and we die. Me ba now was suban bi mu wo kwa wo hu kwan ya fa asu jai wani ba ho so no no we jai adentra when you are in his presence daily he knows how to deliver you. Atoda Job asemoma yenti Job ka asembi e Job chapter 14 verse 1 osi na diampo edi da so wo homa ne se wo twa e be fefe na ne no bai e mo no se ni hiri tinti afam na ni du nsi ni wudotie mu a ensuo togu so ensuo hwanti e fefe sa word na Job kan Job pata o kire se e tada you must have faith like tree e tada nya didia mantamu a wote inia wo ho hwede ya ye bia no dia bi ko oro ma ye tutu ni hini na aka ni hini ba ko pa ina esafam ankrofo de du fotie esenema wo so but since bi tumi du unhye dia na ba bi fefe diampo I will believe sir say nyame say ni hini no as long as the root is connected to the ground to the soil and you must stay connected to God. A problem is that you usually disconnect yourself. Pampa no me how. So this year. Adie bi e betima ma nyame hu se wo ne wa yonkofa no you have broken all those things. Ala wona no wu do wanum wo wi at. So wu do wanum na wonam. Ala odo ho aso ho so na ma asemi de abayiri o. Ha na kan Abraham Lincoln, the late American president, also the word impossible is found in the Foolish Man dictionary. Obi a we jini, obi a we dictionary mu a enye ye ne wum. So we jini. We jini. What can Bible? I'm a Bible no say, yes to say oba ne bone fo ba. Won so to bani ma na wu jane papa we. Adenta. My memo testimony be me taka me first time na me young Christian no me apostolic new me first apostolic the apostolic church wo ni me namfo na me kopie asori bi mu na asori na me kopie mu na sofo no le prophet Samuel Ledu o we putu je sisi am no ka to ho na asori da bi o bi am tia no na o nia babi abaya tuntum bi na yakwa asore no asane ba bia na ewo no so na emuwa ase obi onima ahensan ni nim sa ahensan estate so peta wona nte kwa sa time no na isun ko fa bidie sunti isun wo nti na ye group ye ho ne ye ko nti wa onu brother sister asemi ya na chete mo razo ena me fole ma ababa wa no But now, Mr. That time, I'm going to 16 or 17. Mr. I buy a no so fall here. Not just I had there. Anna, Meneno, Chatter, Koba. I had a revelation or a dream. And I catch on sir, and I'm on the so I decided to put a stop to it. But me, I'm into me. She said, Ababa one who do Ramia, my chest, and me do me one. Bra, but yeah. Oh, again, a man, me to go to the park, so, and your empire boy will have the Akona home. Akona home, the Nipan coming on the cool. Sure. Bowl of Jimmy, the bumper. That's all, man. Man, I thought that my car, sorry, your bumper, sir, will be a pigeon, say your bumper, sir, will be well with that. Rather, my own ten in Canada, the Mr. Conner, the Mr. Rampy. I didn't see that Ben or Benjamin. Not that Ben. You couldn't see that Ben. Now, I buy a new hole. Just a minute, I'll go to the new crowd, I'm not just there. Let me sue, I'm a bumper, me sue, Nana, could you believe that? To be honest, me man, who the doctor, I can't even tell, sir, and that's it. Many man the hospital. Not me who I buy a normal person. Normal person. I can judge it. National number of times I use for failure, but I want many Benjamin for walking. I want to call Nanya catch on to Monko. One could not fail. No, my bumper, I'm so Monko, no, my fail. No, my fasting. The one is for your fasting 66. Judges. When we are fasting, Bible says, if you are not focusing, when we dim yada, when we to come, no, my fail. What would fail after not 2 minutes soon? Until saying I'm a catcher of Monko. No, I thought I am an uncle papa or show the confidence you have in him. Oh, who did it? I thought a woman, a youth leader. Anna, I was so powerful. And then we are born now. Wow, could you move for own class of the other? Because who did you went beyond your human weakness. Well, 1 year to tell you, Nipa. I never come many years to her when he was on earth physically. He respected his weaknesses. Yes, who won't answer me now, or no one can say, or we need the man in the mirror. It is a common dinner on Cassam or Cassa common or bra, which make us my bread. To come dinner, to make us to come dinner. Why don't you explain yourself to God? I don't know woman and me who's a wee nipper. Oh, we nipper. It is Subana woman that won't mean nine. Whoa, Silanamiso on you, and don't stop. Because when they when they mean house on not papa deliver. Eti plugin ya baba say we need you, oh God. Then tina who tell me friend. Then they will hear. When you say penny for say ufiti prokota power sin. Moja na ba unim da. Bonsam or you very quick. Why some man pam. Otim de kiki en say on kona on na second. No or treso. On fan ko duru ba bia. Abraham, nka ba wuta bonka do hoto no so be buumu. Obe buumu. Baby ameka me se no mebu ono ma Nyankopon nim die nti a wa ma na ke. Ye mu bebro ono ma ye gide e woni wonyame mu no emu oha. O kan Matthew chapter 13 na Bible say papa mi kogu aba. Edugu nkwanche nka sem sa ebe no. Mark nso kan the same be no. But Mark kan. Mark say abana kogu abuomu no entamara efifiri na doteni mu no nti ewie free en ekusan na say the word entamara efifiri no kire abano ya tugu ya fast no spring forth nyame nyana de sa se bibia ye bumu a emwa nyame pesa ya odo fo baabi se rebe ya wakitimu a ubenya abadaya ma de bonyeni no you move do no ye ni all say Christopher secretary pa because you move do no no ya ntinya me dance nti atada aya na Nyankopon number of times na wa fail no instead of so be me na bu abem na wa twu ho afi nyame ho no na nsem nkwan na gitum se nyame gusu don well nti wo ba se sa don afia wa titim na suman no fi mu ato obi wo mu a obenya abadaye ene abotra ma no nko be fa so aboa no no fi afrim There are a lot of things you are going through right now. Bonsam has said that strategizing Yama, every preachers being some boo at them. Don't give up. Stay focused. Now Solomon said, Sa ahoma, a bohemian sa and tintum. Wo ya ahoma. Ni pebi baka ho a wo ya ahoma ba nya be baka ho miyan sa ye fa no mesa wo mesa aya na praye wuyi praye ba ko pe tia ba ko asini mfaso yo de be ya ye odi be yi bo wurim ana de be twiri bibi wo fam wo ma wo menu ye wo me dan ti de be yi wo musin but open ya praye ahodo be yedu obo ta fi mo yedu medu meka ho enti se obi pese onya praye de prada mu a wa abotre tenate echa abeman no na wo yiyi ho oyiyi hu nyina nkaka owi ana wa ka bo nti sa praye na ye praye dodo no nyame no ne ahoma na ye de be kekere sa praye no enti no you have done your best your first why you fam die you have done your part why you fam die now adam na me pastor ye fam die wo nyini empty your phone podcast ma wujidi ana wo fro de o me ka say cannot be rich why nyani ana no me ka say the person you are calling has switched off ni phone so wujidi why nyani obi beje woni me sha wo boss o to abama na meye sem so wujidi adam na me ka say ma wunyini me nto ase Adam na me ka sam kira wo ono nko ade bonsam atumi influence wo ase de nyame ka no boa. Ghanaians will never stop politics if you say politics say ye ni ya no man ni be ye. Even though politicians have failed this nation, yes, we still have confidence in some politicians that they can better this nation. What about God? What about Jesus? I don't know when you confidence when you're mere same. Now we need to me say some ye deboye ni say den. Na man ya so ko na me ma na ye ntinche when you miss ya. Ya me beto sane. I don't know when you say jidien. O sorry wo mo be criticize you bu oba ma wutie wo mo. Na nka say me words are very powerful. Yen fancy ya.